Now, it is time to test how prepared you are for this JAMB exam, use of English. Just test how your level of preparation with these 10 questions. With these 10 questions, let's test how prepared you are. It's very, very important. Okay, in each of the questions, choose the options opposite in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. In each of the questions, opposite in meaning now, pay attention. In each of the questions, choose the option opposite in meaning to the word or phrase in italics. We're talking about antonyms now, opposite in meaning. Question 1, question 36. As an idiot, the boy is weak in class. As an idiot, the boy is weak in class. Remember, we're talking about opposite in meaning. And the word in italics is weak. Weak. W-E-A-K. As an idiot, the boy is weak in class. A deviant. Opposite in meaning. B, a dunce. C, an expert. D, a genius. As an idiot, the boy is weak in class. Opposite in meaning of weak. Is it a deviant? A, B, a dunce. C, an expert. D, a genius. I'm waiting for the answers in the comment section. We are checking how prepared you are so far for the JAMB Use of English exam. 37. We were shocked by the news that he had lost the money. We were shocked by the news that he had lost the money. Italics is shocked. We are looking at opposite meaning of shocked. That shocked of S-C-O-S-H-O-C-K-E-D. We were shocked that he had lost the money. Opposite meaning of shocked. Is it A, astonished? B, disconcerted? C, unconcerned? D, surprised? Which one is opposite in meaning of shocked? Tell me the answers in the comment section. Each one, tell me what is the answer in the comment section. 38. The principal was advised to be flexible on critical issues. And we are looking at flexible. Opposite meaning of flexible. The principal was advised to be flexible on critical issues. A, livid. B, cautious. C, evasive. D, rigid. So we're looking at opposite meaning of flexible. What is the answer? Okay, look at question 39. Pay attention. Remember, if I were you, you should not dodge the questions. These questions, we are testing your level of preparedness. It's important you know how prepared you are, so that if you are not prepared, you start on time to run your race, to prepare. Okay, very important. Bola always looks sober. Bola always looks sober. Bola always looks sober. And the sober we're looking at here is S-O-B-E-R. That is, the word on italics is S-O-B-E-R. Bola always looks sober. The opposite meaning of sober, is it A, excited? B, serious? C, worried? D, helpless? Bola always looks sober. Is it excited? Is it serious? Is it worried? Is it helpless? Okay, come under the comments. Let's trash it out. 40, question number 40, very, very critical. Okay, remember that in this channel, we have done quite a lot of videos on physics, on chemistry, on use of English, on biology, on government, literature, economics, and all your subjects. So if you want me to give you the link to all the videos we've done on all your subjects, I can give you access to all of them, so that you'll begin now to, if you are serious, you begin now to settle down and watch from part 1 to use of English. We've done over 50 videos on use of English. The JAMB novel, we have done over 50 videos. Biology, chemistry, we have done several videos. If you need me to give them to you, I could give them to you free, but I have to be sure that you will take it seriously, settle down and read. Dupe was promoted for her efficiency. Question 40. Dupe was promoted for her efficiency. A, the opposite meaning of efficiency. Efficiency is in italics. Dupe was promoted for her efficiency. Okay? A, ability. B, incompetence. C, inconsistency. D, rudeness. What is the opposite meaning, antonym of efficiency? Is it A, ability, B, incompetence, C, inconsistency, and D, rudeness? Remember, we are looking at opposite in meaning, not similar in meaning. Now we look at this question. The man, I hope I'm not too fast, that you are able to get the questions. If you watch, if anywhere you don't get, you can repeat and ensure you just try to attempt all the questions, right? It's important. The more you attempt, the more you are sure of your level of preparation. You don't need to enter the JAMB hall and become surprised. Okay, the management wants to consider her reticent behavior in due course. The management wants to consider her reticent behavior in due course. In italics is reticent, reticent. The management wants to consider her reticent behavior in due course. What is the opposite meaning of reticent? A, disapproving. B, disciplinarian. C, contemplative. D, loquacious. The management wants to consider her reticent. Opposite meaning of reticent, is it disapproving? Is it disciplinarian? Is it contemplative? Or is it loquacious? Okay. We now move on. 44. Election process often become volatile. Election process often become volatile. And the one in italics is volatile. What is the opposite meaning of volatile? volatile. The election process often become volatile. A, calm. B, strange. C, sudden. D, talent. The election process often become volatile. Ensure don't copy what another person is answering. The person may be wrong. Be confident in yourself and tell me what you think is the answer. Be confident in yourself and tell me what you think is the answer. Election process often become volatile. A, calm. B, strange. C, sudden. D, latent. Election process often become volatile. Opposite meaning of volatile, is it calm? Is it strange? Is it sudden? Or is it latent? Okay. 43. Oche entered the principal's office in a rather abrasive manner. Abrasive is in italics. A-B-R-A-S-I-V-E. Oche entered the principal's office in a rather abrasive manner. Now, the opposite meaning of abrasive is what? A, gentle. B, rude. C, lackadaisical. D, indifferent. Opposite meaning. The opposite of meaning of abrasive, is it gentle? Is it rude? Is it lackadaisical? Is it indifferent? I will be in the comment section waiting for your answer. Even if every other person don't answer, you watching this video, I'm waiting for your answer. I'm interested in your success because my goal is, and I want you to claim, is that you must get admission this year. No Jupiter will stop you. You will get admission. You will score 300 and above. I want you to claim it. Type I claim it, and let's keep being serious. Tell me what you think is the answer. Otokpa is a member of the ad hoc committee on stock acquisition. Otokpa is a member of the ad hoc committee on stock acquisition. Now we are looking at opposite meaning of ad hoc. A-D, gap, C-O-C, H-O-C, ad hoc. Otokpa is a member of the ad hoc committee on stock acquisition. A, improvised. B, formal. C, temporary. D, fact finding. We are looking at opposite meaning of ad hoc. Is it improvised? Is it formal? Is it temporary? Is it fact finding? Just try. Let's see how many you will get. His gift to the poor was always infinitesimal. His gift to the poor was always infinitesimal. Opposite meaning of infinitesimal. A, large. B, small. C, okay. His gift to the poor was always infinitesimal. Opposite meaning of infinitesimal, is it large? Is it small? Then, or supportive or shameful. Okay. Now the last question, 46. The economists concluded that several factors have been adduced to explain. Remember, I will still post the answers to this question so that you can know the one you are correct in and the one you failed. But the answers the video for the answers to this question will be only for the members of our YouTube channel, the full members, registered members of this YouTube channel. If you want to know how to be registered, a full member, just let me know in the comment section. Ask in the comment section. Just full member, those that have joined our channel, those that are joined members, full registered members of this channel. Okay, the economists concluded that several factors have been adduced to explain the fall in the birth rate. The economics concluded that several factors have been adduced to explain the fall in the birth rate. The opposite meaning of adduce: A, affirmed; B, diffuse; C, mentioned; D, refuted. What do you think is the answer? Opposite meaning of adduce: is it confirmed, is it diffuse, is it mentioned, or is it refuted? Come under the comment of this video, tell me what you think is the answer, and be truthful. Don't copy your neighbor, don't look right or left or back or forward. Just tell me the answer and don't be afraid. Even if you don't get all 10 of them, we'll start now to nurture you. Tell me the answer in the comment section and ensure you become a full member by joining our YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, share this video now, and answer the question. I will be in the comment section waiting for you.